Welcome to Commit Hope, a complete reimagining of modern slavery compliance. Instead of wrestling with PDFs after the fact, we've built an ecosystem where transparency begins at creation. Here's our public transparency portal. Every company, every statement, every assessment, completely searchable and transparent. Notice these compliance scores? They're initially generated by AI, but validated by human reviewers. Let's look at a company profile. You can see their complete compliance journey. Multiple years of statements, improvement trends, and public accountability. Our rankings show real-time compliance performance. Companies can benchmark against their industry, motivating continuous improvement. The Insights dashboard provides industry-wide analytics. Stakeholders can track trends, identify leaders, and measure progress across sectors. Before companies report, they need guidance. The International Reporting Template breaks down the 7 core reporting areas, from organizational structure to effectiveness assessment. With over 50 million people trapped in modern slavery globally, we're not just digitizing compliance, we're revolutionizing it. Our approach rests on 3 revolutionary pillars. First, AI-assisted assessment, analyzing compliance across UK, Australian, and Canadian frameworks. Second, expert review using GitHub-style peer collaboration. And third, public transparency through searchable databases and real-time rankings. This platform began as a Project AIM's 2025 hackathon initiative. These embedded YouTube videos show our pitch journey from vision to reality. The technical innovation, revolutionary input formats, explainable AI architecture, and democratized access to compliance data. Commit Hope is planned to operate as a non-profit initiative. A support page will enable monetary contributions in South African Rand via Paystack, one-time or monthly recurring. Each monetary contribution will support platform development, global access, and transparency advocacy. Supporters can access our dedicated donor portal through email verification. No password needed. View complete donation history, track impact statistics, and manage recurring support. Once authenticated, organizations access their personalized dashboard. Organizations can invite team members, assign roles, and collaborate on statements. This isn't just individual compliance, it's organizational transformation. Every user has account control through their settings page. You can view your profile and company information and role-based permissions broken down by access level. So that's whether you're a platform admin with full system access, company admin managing statements, external reviewer assessing compliance, or you could be a statement author and so forth. We support various jurisdictional frameworks and readily await expansion. The analytics dashboard provides comprehensive insights, total statements, score distributions, framework compliance rates. These interactive charts filter by period, industry, or risk level. Now, let me show you the game changer. Companies create statements directly through our platform. Watch as I start a new statement. The International Reporting Template guides each and every step. No more guessing about requirements. Notice how each section provides specific guidance. We're capturing structured data from the start. This rich text editor allows formatting, and when I upload evidence, notice it requires accessibility descriptions, ensuring searchability and compliance. The system will now save this as a draft. We store everything as structured JSON, then compile it into Markdown and render as PDFs. When editing a draft, the rich text editor maintains structured data while showing formatted content. Each of the 7 sections tracks word count and completion status. Digital signatures are captured as signature data with approver names, creating audit trails. Once submitted, statements enter our review workflow. When a statement is assigned to a reviewer, they receive an email notification with direct links to begin their assessment. The system uses load balancing to assign reviews fairly among available expert reviewers. Reviewers see their review queue, statement titles, company names, submission dates by priority level. This organized workflow ensures no statements slip through the review process. After submission, our AI engine analyzes at sentence level. Look at these confidence scores. Every assessment includes reasoning chains, evidence classification, and direct links to regulatory requirements. This is explainable AI, keeping humans in the loop. Once assessed, statements enter our GitHub-style review workflow. Reviewers can comment, request changes, and collaborate. This transforms compliance from a checkbox exercise into a community effort. The statements listing shows your organization's complete compliance portfolio. Statement titles, fiscal years, framework selections, current status, and your compliance scores. This organized view helps companies track their entire transparency journey. Once expert review is complete, statement authors receive email notifications that their statement has been reviewed, with direct links to view feedback and make any requested changes. We have robust export capabilities for standard document downloads, annotated statements for reviewer exports with highlighted assessments, and CSV export for research mapping. One statement creates multiple output formats from our structured data foundation. Now, here's our AI assessment engine in action. I submit a statement and the AI performs sentence-level analysis with 100-word context windows. While we're waiting, why don't we take a look at the statement that was just approved? We're going to navigate to the public portal and search for the company. And now, as you can see, the newly approved statement is already available for public viewing. The AI classifies each sentence as description, action, commitment, or negative evidence. It provides confidence scores from 0.0 to 1.0, maps content to specific framework requirements, and generates detailed reasoning chains for every assessment decision. The system returns sentence classifications, evidence links, confidence scores by section, and detailed rationale with identified gaps and recommendations. This analysis sets up human reviewers with full AI context. Human reviewers, who are the true compliance experts, access our GitHub-style review workflow with AI assessment data as a starting point. They see confidence scores, detailed reasoning, and identified gaps that the AI has flagged. Our reviewer chatbot serves as an effective tool to help reviewers work more efficiently. They can query about its assessment logic, ask it to explain specific scoring decisions, or request additional analysis of particular sections. This transforms the review process from starting with a page of questions to starting with structured AI analysis that can be validated, perhaps corrected, and ideally enhanced. The AI does not replace expert judgment, it amplifies it. Reviewers use their deep regulatory knowledge to validate AI findings,
correct misunderstandings, and add nuanced insights that only human expertise can provide.
Commit Hope doesn't just digitalize compliance, it transforms it from creation to assessment to public transparency. We're making the invisible visible, the complex accessible. This is how we commit to hope.